Hello guys, I'm so excited. I come with a good news for you. For those of you who already watched the video that I made about Facebook performance bonus, where I make $1,200. Now, if you were in a country that was not eligible for Facebook monetization, you're supposed to watch this video. Watch right now, because I have good news for you guys. So the good news is now Facebook come with a new monetization called content monetization. The content monetization is a new way that Facebook will give you access. If you didn't get access from in-stream ads because of your country, because you didn't have someone living in United States to apply for you, now you can get access to in-stream ads after watching this video. So what happened? Facebook put these three monetization: in-stream ads, bonus, performance bonus, and the ads on wheels in these three programs. Facebook put them in one monetization called the content monetization, guys. So that's one of the best options. So now you can get approved if you only have one of these already approved. Like you have the bonus program or you have the add on wheels, you will get an invite from Facebook. So how to get the invite? This is one of the questions I know that a lot of you has and want me to answer. If you live in Nigeria, you live in any country in Africa, Pakistan, and you were not approved for in-stream ads, watch this video till the end. So what happened right now? So the only thing you have to do, you're gonna have to post very engaging posts to receive the invite, because the bonus program pay you for picture, for text, when people comment, share, or people react, like. So now, if you can get approved for at least one of these, you will get an invite for the content monetization. We got the three monetization. We got the in-stream ads, ads on wheel, and bonus performance bonus from Facebook. So how to get approved? It's easy. I have 5 pages and I've made all of them approved for this. So what I do, I just take celebrity in my country or people who are very well known, and I use these people to be approved easily. What I do, I post gossip about them. So let's say I live in the United States, I have Beyonce, and when I find a gossip information or something that is leaked Beyonce and Jay-Z, or maybe PDD, Puff Daddy, something like that, and I post this post in a way that people can comment. So let me give you an example. So let's say I heard that Beyonce was with Diddy and has some moment with him. So what I do, I just post new information found about the secret relation between Beyonce and Diddy. I can confirm it is not true. What do you think about it? So something like that, as a question, and I put the picture of these 3 people, Jay-Z, Beyonce, and Diddy, and I put this. So people who love Beyonce gonna say a lot of things bad about me on the comment. People who don't love Beyonce gonna confirm, gonna say yes, I think she can do it, she's the bad person. So something like that. So you will just create engagement. If you get at least for your last 3 posts more than 75,000 engagement, you are more likely to get an invite from the bonus performance program. And when you get the invite, after the invite, you're gonna receive the invite for the content monetization, where you have 3 programs approve you instantly. So guys, if you want to know more about this, keep following this channel, because it's a new program of Facebook and it's pay very high. A lot of people start making money. So you see, this is why I say Facebook gonna be the best monetization platform, better than a lot of other platforms. So keep watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friend. And this program is new, as I said. Keep posting gossip thing, keep posting memes or sarcasm, things that can attract people and make them comment. It was your friend Vano. Make sure you subscribe and like and share to your friend. If you want me to help you with your page to get approved easily on Facebook monetization, don't forget to contact me on Skype. Thank you. Bye-bye.